Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. If you are new here, I am Inaya Ali and today we are diving into the world of fashion. We are going to explore some super cool printed bodycon dresses that are all the rage right now. Whether you are into blood patterns or cute design, I have got something special for you. So make sure to stick around until the end and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more trendy updates. Let's start with the basic. A bodycon dress is a fitted dress that hugs your body shape. It's perfect for showing off your style and confidence. And when we add print to these dresses, they become even more fun or fashionable. From polka dots to floor, there's printed bodycon dress for everyone. First up, we have floral print. These dresses are great for a sweet and feminine look. Imagine wearing a bodycon dresses with colorful flowers all over it. It's perfect for spring and summer. Floral prints can make you look cheerful and fresh. So if you love flowers, a floral printed bodycon dresses is a must have. Next, let's talk about strips. And strips bodycon dresses are super trendy. They can make you look tailored and slimmer. Whether you prefer annual style strips, these dresses are stylish and versatile. You can wear them to a party or even just a casual day out. Strips add a touch of elegance to your outfit. Polka dots are always in fashion. These fun and playful prints are great for adding to touch a retro charm to your look. A bodycon dress with polka dots is perfect for a fun day out with friends or a casual events. It's classic print that never goes out of style. And if you want to stand out, animal prints are a great choice. These blood patterns can make your bodycon dress look fierce and fabulous. Leopard spots, zebra strips, and snake patterns are all popular choice if you love making a statement. And animal print bodycon dresses is the way to go. Geometric patterns are modern and chic. These dresses feature shapes like triangles, squares, and circles. They can create a unique and stylish look. If you like a more contemporary vibe, and geometric printed bodycon dresses are perfect for you. Abstract prints are all about creativity. They do not have a spiky patterns and can be very colorful and artist. And abstract printed bodycon dresses can be a real conversation starter if you love artsy design and want something different. Go for an abstract print and combine different animal prints can be really fun. For example, a dress with a mix of leopard sports and zebra strips can be super stylish. It's a blur choice, but if you confident, it make can you look amazing. Seasonal prints are designed to match different times of the year. For example, tropical prints are great for summer while plaid prints are perfect for fall. By choosing the right seasonal print, you can stay trendy all year round. Now let's talk about styling these dresses. You can pair up printed bodycon dresses with simple accessories to keep the focus on the dress. For example, if you are wearing a floral dress, try matching it with a cute pair of sandals and a small bag. Remember to keep it simple to the print stands out. You can also style your bodycon dresses for different times of the day. For a day look, go for light colors and simple accessories. For a night look, add some sparkle with jewelry and high heels. You can transform your dress from casual to glamorous with just a few changes. It's important to choose a bodycon dress that fits you well. Make sure it's comfortable and hugs your body in the right way. A well fitted dress will make you look and feel great. If you are unsure about the size, do not hesitate to ask for help when shopping. Some brands are known for their amazing printed bodycon dresses. For example, brand like Fashion Design and offer stylish and trendy option. Check out their collection to find the perfect dress for you. You can find printed bodycon dresses in many places. Online stores, local boutiques, and big fashions and great selections. Make sure to shop around to find the best deals and style. When buying online, it's important to check the size chart and read reviews. This will help you find the right and fit and quality. Do not forget to look at return policy just in case the dress does not fit perfectly. To keep your printed bodycon dresses looking great, follow the care instruction, wash it gently and avoid using harsh detergents. Proper care and will help your dress last longer and stay looking fresh. Here are some fun ideas for styling your print bodycon dresses. You can add a matching belt to your waist or wear a cute hat for a playful look. Do not be afraid to experiment and make the dress your own. Many celebrities love wearing printed bodycon dresses, and you can find inspiration from stars like fashion design. See how they style their dresses for different events and get some ideas for your own outfit. Accessories is key to completing your look. Pair your printed bodycon dresses with matching jewelry and stylish handbags. Some simple accessories and can enhance your outfit with overpowering the print. When choosing shoes and bags to match your dress, go for colors that complements the print. For example, if your dress has bright colors, choose accessories with natural tones. This will create a balanced and fashionable look. Fashion trends change with the season. Keep eye on seasonal trends and make sure your printed bodycon dresses is always in style. Follow fashion blogs and magazines for the latest update. If you are feeling creative, you can even design your own printed bodycon dress. Use fabric maker or paints to create unique patterns and design. It's fun to express your personal style. Printed bodycon dresses are versatile and can be worn for different occasions, whether it's a casual day out a special event. You can find a print that suit that occasion. Just adjust your accessories and styling to match the event. You do not have to spend a lot to find a great printed bodycon dresses, and many stores offer stylish options at affordable prices. Look out of sales and discounts to get the best deals, and even kids can enjoy trendy printy bodycon dresses. Look for fun and playful prints like animals, stars, and cartoons. Kids dresses can be both fashionable and comfortable. If you want to make a statement with your printed bodycon dresses, go for bold and eye-catching prints. The more unique the patterns, the more attention you will get. Do not be afraid to stand out. When choosing a bodycon dresses, comfort is key. Look for dresses made from stretchy and breathable fabric. This will ensure you feel great all day long, no matter where you go. Layering is a great way to add more style to your dress. Try wearing a jacket cardigan over your bodycon dresses for a chic look. Layering also help you stay warm during colder weather. Mixing different prints can create a fun and fashionable look. Just make sure the print completes each other. For example, you can pair strip top with a floor skirts for a playful out. Please subscribe to my channel, Fashion Design. Like, share, comment. So Remember to like this video if you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel Fashion Design for more fashion tips and trends. Share this video with your friends so they can discover these amazing dresses too. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.